Hello there, friends. Welcome back to the Mojo Show. Notice anything different about me? Isn't it obvious? I got a haircut. I've been long overdue for a trim, but nobody in my house knew how. Finally, my dad watched a tutorial on YouTube and then gave me this spiffy new do. I absolutely love how it looks. It's so much better than the mess it was before. Here, take a look at this before picture. He did take quite a lot off the top, more than I expected, but I kind of like it this way. What do you think, Igor? I'm glad somebody made that YouTube tutorial that my dad watched. People make all sorts of interesting videos on YouTube. Have you heard about the small green monster who makes a show in his bedroom? I heard it's pretty good. You should check it out on the next episode of The Mojo Show. I'll see you then. Goodbye.